Hey guys, it's Tyler here. As you can see, this windshield's completely covered up. We got back from eating somewhere and we got back from Target. Now we're about to drive in our complex. And as you can see, look at this frost stuff everywhere. Still snowing like crazy. Look at that. Oh man. Look at all this snow. My phone's almost dead, so I'm hurrying. Oh man. Oh man, is it cold. Yeah, we're driving around it. Oh man, look at those, look at that snow. This is crazy snow. Yeah. So guys, I hope you guys like this video, and we're just driving home. Oh man. Yeah, right next to Super Target. Hey guys, hope you guys like this video, and yeah, you can see all that snow everywhere. Hope you guys like this video, and see you guys later. Okay, bye. It's crazy, man. See you guys later. Bye.